tomorrow.
The fit is not fitting. Get me over
That
there.
means move out the way. I don't like not knowing what's coming. That's all I don't
Well,
like.
you're next. Hello.
What was that?
A little bit of fabric.
No.
Oh, I've never been on one of these before. Lovely airtime. Oh, I just dropped me. Oh. No, because this is actually gonna hurt. This is gonna be painful.